Essentia Home.
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 Essentia.
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 Love the color combination they've used.
They do something new and interesting every time.
Beautiful colors through rich veneers, exotic marble.
The kind of detailing which I got to see in such a small area was mind-blowing.
So I'm a big fan of this product and they're always super innovative. The best part is it's original.
Monica each time comes out with something very, very unique.
One of the most refreshing booth I should say here in Design ID Mumbai.
A bit dark, so I like it. Like the atmosphere is very nice.
Really love the collection.
Especially the ceiling. It is such a standout.
I love the use of fabric on the ceiling. Fabric on the ceiling. It's a lovely display.
The way the fabric has been carried onto the ceiling.
They've got everything under one roof.
Really like their concept.
The stone finishes are spectacular. Lovely metal work. The stuff looks even better in person. Furniture is really, really good.
I think the fact that you've interpreted it as a vanity, but I think it has many purposes. It could be an outdoor bar. It could probably also be a beautiful pantry in an outdoor space.
I think I've not seen a display like this in the whole of ID.
Walking by and immediately they kind of just got drawn into it.
How much you guys stand out from everybody.
This is a really lovely setup and a very refreshing color tone.
I must say the quality is impeccable.
So many different materials in such an innovative manner.
Everything is beautiful and gorgeous.
I just love what they've done here. Just exactly what a Mumbaikar would be looking for in their new house.
Essentia Home is something which can make our homes as home.
Great to see some really awesome marble works done by you guys.
And they have all one-stop solutions.
And I have taken everything, all my houses done by Essentia.
This has been a very good experience. I mean, there are a lot of nice finishes which I've seen here.
And I must recommend this brand to a lot of Indian designers.
Really make our work easy. That's a very big compliment for Essentia.
I was particularly amazed by the width of their offering, right from ceramics to end-to-end solutions.
Very much perfection in their designs and workmanship.
I found this vanity really unique. It is a beautiful marble stone.
I'm absolutely in love with all your collection, all the materials that you put up.
Essentia, we manufacture everything that goes into your home, from doors, wardrobes, panelings to all loose furniture, curtains, carpets, art, soft furnishing, decor.
Really my taste because my kind of artwork go well with such kind of dark interiors.
Well, it's a great experience. Keep it up. Good finishes and good service.
I've never seen anything like this, at least in the years I've spent in Bombay.
I really love their products.
You can trust blindly.
Kudos to all three of them, from Monica to Hardesh.
Well done, Team Essentia.
Extremely grateful for the love and affection that Bombay has shown us.